But it doesn't say full. Okay. 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche. I really love this truck, but I can always get the feeling it just doesn't love me back. Like, thank you for breaking over the 4th of July weekend for no reason. And I'm pretty sure that should be connected to something. So last fall, my stepson and I put on the Rough Country 6-inch lift with the long bars, and I also bought this. So it's about time to put it on. So this is it. The stabilizer shock is in here, so it comes with a stabilizer. Comes with some Evo hardware and a bracket to mount that hardware. Sticker for the shock and your instructions. Well, everything's rustier than I remember under here, and that's where one end of it goes, is on that bracket, and the other end, I assume, goes over here somewhere on the tie rod. So this will be very interesting. Very interesting. Well, let's get started. There's more. So somewhere along here, my camera died, and I had to get up and go get a new battery in it, or the memory card got full. I don't remember which, but there's some action missing here. Okay, this one could be a little looser. This really isn't a fantastic combination of having big hands and a tight area to work in. It's not the most fun, but it's not the most difficult job to do. I'll flip this one so it tightens. I think by this point I was getting plenty frustrated. Okay, now it's going to tighten. There's the distance. I have good ratchets. I have ratchets that work really good. So, for some reason I always pick my crappy ratchets because I'm afraid that my good ratchet's going to be wore out when I really need it. So always use the crappy one. Alright, 3.5 inches. So I got it snugged up here. I got it up at an angle like this so it avoids hitting anything in here. And it's 3.5 inches from there to there. I got this one snugged up. Yeah, we're recording. So the final result is into here. Put the sticker on. Tied it in all the way back to there. All tight, all tied in. I tested it left to right. No interference. Oh,